Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet moon granny square. For this, I am using 3mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. Make 11 more double crochets in the magic circle. Make a slip stitch in the chain 3. To start our second row, chain 1 and make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Put the stitch marker in the first stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets. Don't finish the second single crochet. Change the color. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. In the next stitch, 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Next stitch, make 2 half doubles. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets. Change the color. And slip stitch in the first stitch. Cut the white yarn. To start our row 3, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 doubles. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue like this all the way across. In the last stitch, make 2 double crochets. Slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. To start our fourth row, chain 4. Chain 4 does count as our first double crochet. Then add 3 more chains. Chain 3 for corner. Make 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Treble crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch and a single crochet in the next stitch. Now we repeat that in reverse. So start with a single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, Treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3 for corner and 1 more treble crochet in the same stitch. We are going to repeat this process all the way across. Treble crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, half double in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this in reverse. So single crochet in the next stitch, half double in the next stitch, double in the next stitch, treble in the next 2 stitches, chain 3 and 1 more treble in the same stitch. Continue like this all the way across. Slip stitch in the chain 4. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. To start our 5th row, insert the hook into any chain 3 space. Pull up the yarn. Chain 1. In the chain 3 space, make a single crochet. Chain 2 and 1 more single crochet in the same space. Make a single crochet into each stitch. In the chain 3 space, make a single crochet. Chain 2 and 1 more single crochet in the same space. And single crochet into each stitch. Chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 2 and 1 more single crochet. Continue like this all the way across. Slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.